Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can see what your CCTV camera is looking at on Bloxburg. So you're just going to go to build mode first to actually get the camera. I believe it's under electronics, so go to decorate and go to electronics here and select the CCTV that you want. I don't know what I'm just going to do the basic one, and I'm just going to place it. Can I not place it outside? Oh, I can. Oh, it's like placing it on the like ceiling. Let's just like place it in the like garage here. Place it right about here. And then to view like what it's seeing, you're just going to go to a computer. Then select view security cameras and you'll be able to kind of see well, I can't really go next because this is the only security camera that I have. But if you have more than me, you can press next. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!